In the early days postpartum, hand expression can often work better than a pump for collecting colostrum and stimulating your milk supply. If your breasts feel very full or engorged, expressing a small amount by hand can soften the area and make it easier for your baby to latch. It's also a helpful tool anytime you don't have a pump, since it requires no equipment and keeps you comfortable while maintaining supply. Adding a little hand expression after a pump session can help you remove more milk, and it's been proven to increase your milk production. Plus, a few strokes of hand expression at the end of a feeding or pumping can literally strip the last creamy drops of milk. In a study by Dr. Jane Morton of mothers with premature babies, those who did a combination of hands-on pumping and hand expression had nearly double the fat content in their breast milk. Hi, my name is Luna with Legendary Milk, and today we're chatting about combining breast massage and hand expression to boost your milk supply. If you're new to this channel and want to stay in the loop every time we post helpful breastfeeding tips and tricks, go ahead and subscribe so you never miss a future video. Now let's get into it. There are so many ways to hand express, so you may need to experiment to find what works best for you. Today, I'm going to demonstrate the Marmette technique, which was developed by a mom who wanted a more gentle approach that wouldn't cause pain, inflammation, or bruising. First, you'll want to have a clean container ready to catch the milk and wash your hands. Next, you'll want to spend a minute or two doing gentle circular motions like kneading or rolling to help prime your breasts for milk flow. Start from the back of the breast and work your way toward the nipple, paying extra attention to any lumpy areas. Massage should be very gentle with a light touch or stroking of the breast, including underneath and into your armpit area. More pressure or digging into your chest tissue can actually cause damage and restrict milk flow, so be gentle with your breasts. Now we're ready to begin hand expressing. Make a C shape with your hand. Place your thumb on top of your breast and your first few fingers below in a straight line. Your thumb and fingers should be about 1 to 2 inches behind your nipple. Your hand placement doesn't have to be where the end of your areola is, as every areola is different. You're also not touching your nipple itself, but the tissue behind it. Now push straight back into the chest wall. For larger breasts, you can first lift your breast and then push into the chest wall. Try not to spread your fingers apart or slide them over your skin, but do keep your hand in that C shape. Roll your thumb forward as if taking a thumbprint. The rolling motion of your thumb and fingers stimulates the wave-like motion of your baby's tongue. As you continue to roll, you're imitating your baby's suck by compressing and draining your milk ducts without hurting that sensitive breast tissue. This compression should start to push milk forward toward your nipple. You might even see beads of milk appear on your nipple or even a small spray. Repeat this motion rhythmically to drain your milk ducts. Position, push back, roll, and keep repeating. Keep doing this until the flow of milk slows from that area. Then move your hand to a different position around the breast and repeat the process to drain other milk ducts. You might move your hand placement a few times to fully empty each breast. Think of your breast like a clock, and you want to express from all time zones around it. When your first breast is soft and milk flow has stopped, switch to the other breast and do the same. You can go back and forth between breasts a couple of times if you're trying to maximize your milk output. It may take 10 to 30 of these gentle rolls before milk appears. Don't get discouraged. If milk is not coming yet, just go back to step 1. Breathe deeply and try to relax. Our free guide with even more tips on how to increase milk supply is linked below in the description. Thanks for watching, and report back if Marmette hand expression works for you.